How to cash out on MetaTrader 5. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and today in this video I'll let you guys know how can you withdraw on MetaTrader 5. Withdraw money from your real account. You should have enough amount of funds in your account, and MetaTrader 5 withdrawal requires the trader to follow these steps, that is, log into the broker's account. So first, trader can log into the broker's account with their real account username and then a password. Now the trader must use the same username and a password the broker offered them during the sign up process. Then after which you want to go to the withdrawal fund option. So after logging into your MetaTrader 5 trading account, you could see your trading account dashboard, and here you'll see all the details of your trading history. Your transaction and the orders are also available for viewing. That you will see the option withdrawal fund option. Click on it. After choosing the MetaTrader 5 withdrawal option, select the online payment method you prefer. There are several options that traders have at their disposal to opt for a withdrawal. So after that, you need to submit your request and MetaTrader 5 request with your broker. And this is going to take a couple of hours or maybe a day, so you could just wait patiently. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.